This is what everybody's doing on a rainy
We're doing this
Snake Saturday.
so we can figure out who's gonna choose the movie tonight.
Oh boy.
All right.
Snake! Snake! Snake!
Poor girl.
Don't use the force on me, Snake.
Oh, there's one.
And Luke is really not into playing this game.
There's
What?
one. How many do you have?
I got my birthday present in on yesterday. So I spent part of the day getting something working again. Got my magnetic antenna, and I got a scanner. I got my scanner working.
No, I won't clean it up because you don't even know how to play the game. Why would you
It's
play
quite
the game?
yucky outside.
Nobody knows how to play the game.
Yuck, 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 yuck.
You don't know how to play the game.
There's a scanner. Oh, yuck.
Saeed, you did yours already?
Hey, how you doing? Weather is very dreary, kind of depressing. It's spring, early spring, and the fam is playing Clue, and they're playing to see who wins to choose the movies tonight. I don't like playing board games, and I don't like sitting around all the time and doing nothing but watching movies. So I like watching a lot of YouTube, but that's about it. And then so. I'm here at a store, Retail Rebel, and then I'm thinking I'm going to have some tea or coffee later, and there's a threat of we're going to have corned beef and cabbage later too, so that'd be nice. But yeah, so this time I got stuff mostly for the kiddos, like a lot of chalk in a big box, street chalk, and crayons, big amount of crayons and a big amount of colored pencils. I got one thing for myself. I'm dubious on that. It's a stand microphone, and $10. It's probably worth it. It seems to be pretty well built. So, all right. We are here. Time to get some tea. Tea. Cafe is very full. Well, let's see what's going on in the river market this rainy, lucky Saturday night. I don't suspect much is happening down here. Except, we got one of these Kansas City lights, as always. Restaurant looks busy. Who wouldn't want to have some nice warm pho on a night like this? Coffee house, warm drink there. The farmer's market doesn't look too busy. Pass. Well, pizza. I could do pizza, but we're having corned beef and cabbage. I hope. Maybe I should stop and get some cabbage. Ooh, that didn't sound healthy. Passing through the river Clie here. Let's see what we got. People still standing in line for ice cream. Yeah, there's some people in there. I had, excuse me. I had iced tea, but I can't imagine having ice cream right now. I don't know. We go to Lawrence in December and have ice cream there. Yep, this light is regulating nothing. Well, anyways, time to get home. Oh, the light's about to change. It's about to change. There we go. Woo! Let's get on over to the Broadway Bridge. There's a two-way stop, and a lot of people don't know that, and I'm surprised there aren't many more accidents here because, you know, the people coming through certainly come through really fast because, you know, people are always in a hurry. And I think everybody just sort of expects every stop to be a four-way. All right, coming up to the John Jordan Buck O'Neill Bridge, otherwise known as the Broadway Bridge. Lots of traffic tonight. I think maybe people coming home from happy hour. Do they have happy hour on Saturdays? Well, I guess we can go. Woo! Finally. You know, this project here they're building is supposed to alleviate the traffic jams that are caused by that traffic light coming off of 169, which essentially is like an interstate highway. So you have this road built to like interstate standards, and then it comes into downtown, and all of a sudden there's a traffic light there. Whereas everywhere else is limited access, ramps and stuff like that. So it causes a lot of traffic, and they're trying to fix that. Ha ha ha. We'll see how that goes. Well, anyways, time to get home.